Alright, hey YouTube. This is my channel, GMX Clips for You. I had nothing to upload today, so I'm doing a quick bike check. Start off, I have a felt bike and felt bars, stolen Thermalite seat, pivotal, 25 tooth sprocket, stolen Thermalite PC pedals, red Kenda contact tires, just a normal cam C chain, the regular stock felt bike cranks, a Verde stem with, you can't see it, but it's Cane Creek integrated headset, and let's see, the rims are F303s. I should be buying new back rim and front rim soon, and the bike weighs around 26 pounds, and that's about it. Nothing really special, just a good solid bike I can ride BMX on, and that's my bike check. Thanks for watching, subscribe. Alright, bye.